Hello, everyone. StylesbyLailani here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are making. Today we are finishing up on our part three of soap making at home. I, Lailani, have a small soap business. It is growing every day. Thank you to the new subscribers, supporters, customers. I appreciate you all. So on this video here, this is the third part to our soap making, which I will be pouring my soap into the mold and making messes, of course. What is a soap maker if they don't make a mess? But today I am doing the drop swirl technique, whereas I pour my soap batter from a high altitude in order to make drops in my soap. You can either do this fast or you can do it slow. You can do it with a big container. You can do it with a squeeze container. It all depends on how you see your design coming out. So I I have my own like signature type of swirl. So I'm just going to stick with what I do. So I'm just going to go in one round, pour another color, pour another color, and I pour. And then I just keep repeating that. It's okay to put your stick blender in with their other colors. It will not change the color. It really won't affect it in no kind of way. Um, like I always say, do, excuse me, do what is comfortable for you. Don't always do what you try to see other people do. So here I am stick blending individually because I have added my colors, I have added my fragrance oils. So I am making sure everything is all incorporated in. So I'm doing that one by one. Another reason is because I did not want my soap batter to thicken up faster than I needed it to. So that's why I also did it individually. And now I'm going in with my spatula. I love these spatulas, y'all. They come in handy, especially like when you're cooking, making soap, baking, whatever the case may be. These definitely come in handy. So I'm just scraping the sides, making sure that I get all of the colorants, fragrance oil, and everything incorporated in. We don't want to leave anything behind. Waste not, want not. My mom always say. So, how is y'all weekend going? Today is Saturday, the 17th. And yeah, everything is good over this way. No complaints. Packaging up some more orders. This is the rush of the week. So, in order for everybody to actually get their stuff before Christmas, but with the way postal is working, you know, you got to really order it before like the 12th or the 15th, depending on where you're shipping to. But anyway, we are about to start pouring our first color right into the mold. So I'm gonna link the second part to this video above. This is actually the third part. I went through with mixing my oils in lye water. Then I did the colorants in fragrance oil. Now I'm just doing my drop swirl technique, showing anyone who have questions, anyone who's kind of nervous to make soap, because I swear, yeah, I actually waited about 6 months before I actually made my first bar of soap. I was just so nervous. I was like, I just want to do everything right. You know, I wanted to start my business. Like I was saying, I wanted to start my business, but not just start it by just throwing anything together. I wanted to get the proper training, the proper ingredients for what I wanted the products to do for the skin. Because myself suffer with eczema, dry skin, sensitive skin. So you see me banging it down. This is how I remove the air bubbles out of my soap. Air bubbles comes from when you are pouring your soap in, probably at a fast pace, and it like bubbles up like boo, 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 boo. So you bang it down to get the air bubbles off. So I sped that up a little bit. I was just scraping my container, getting the rest of my colors out. Um, as you finna see, I'm finna do it with this color as well. Just scraping it, and still you want to pour it at a high altitude so that it makes the drop swirl. So I'm just getting the excess off of my spoon, and I'm going to get the rest of it out of my container, and I'm going to go over to my yellow orange. The colors will change after the soap cools down for about 1 or 2 days, but we won't see the true color of the soap until 4 to 5 weeks later, after everything has, dried out and sat and cured. So, yeah, when I was just telling y'all, I was so nervous to make my first soap. I was overbuying supplies, trying to cope with the fact, okay, I'm about to make this soap. I'm about to make this soap. I'm about to make this soap. And I just kept prolonging it. And to see that making soap and making all natural bath and body products is definitely my passion, definitely my go-to, is definitely my gift. I could do it with my eyes closed. Um, it does take math and patience, but I say if you want to do it, go for it. Go for it. You will benefit from it. Your family will benefit from it. You will always have amazing gifts to give. Y'all, look, I was moving too fast with trying to clean up the sides, and I like swiped the side over there, but it's okay. Um, I was gonna look. I zoomed in so y'all can see like the tie dye design, but whew, y'all, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. I'm a mom of six, a business owner. Um, yeah, caregiver, wife, all the above. It's tiring, y'all. But no complaints over this way. Just make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Continue to, support your girl, and subscribe to my channel. Continue to support me and liking my videos, commenting. Like it's hard to offend me. So even the negative comments, I take it either as constructive criticism. I take it as maybe they don't understand what's going on. I take it as maybe I should give them a little bit more information, you know, or I just find it I just find it funny. Like I laugh a lot of stuff up because there's no reason to get serious about it. So I was gonna do a detailed design, but I'm like, sometimes less is better. So I left it as is. I kind of swirled the top with a toothpick, and then I am going in with my Fizz Fairies Sparkle Me Plenty, what's it called? Glitter pump spray. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that on there, some biodegradable glitter, and yeah, you see it's still kind of loose and shaky, so I did not do the design I wanted to. But I'm like, I have plenty other times and opportunity to do it. I just really wanted to keep this one really simple. It's gorgeous as is, and it smells fantastic. Once again, this is the pink grapefruit and citrus soap. So here I am spraying my glitter powder from Fizz Fairies. And then I'm going to spray some biodegradable glitter. I actually poured this into my own pump and made my own glitter pump. This is some holographic biodegradable glitter flakes. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on just to give it a little bit of razzle dazzle. Okay. Not too much razzle dazzle, just a little bit. Like I said, everything is optional. It is such an art to make soap, y'all. It is actually art because you have to have a good imagination. You have to have a good skill to do certain soap designs. Like, I haven't even put myself to a challenge as to where I challenge myself at a great deal at making soap. And I don't know, it might not even be much of a challenge because I research and I love challenges. So whenever I feel anything is difficult, that makes me want to do it even more. So this is where I am spraying a little bit of glitter on top just to make it look a little pretty. You know, I really was tempted to do a little 3D design, but as y'all can see, it still came out really beautiful. It was still loose as I was like trying to set it, y'all. Yeah, so I was shaking. But if you stayed and watched this video for this long, I really, really do appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you come back so y'all can see this cut. Stay tuned. Go shop StylesbyLailani.com. And y'all have an amazing, awesome holiday.